If you're considering getting into dropshipping with Oberlo, there are 12 key things you need to know before making that decision, and it's important to weigh how it compares to other dropshipping software options. Stick around till the end, because we'll also tell you about an even better alternative to Oberlo that you can try for free. First thing to note, Oberlo is owned by Shopify, which makes it incredibly easy to integrate with Shopify stores. That said, it's not the only dropshipping platform out there. You'll find other tools like Spocket, Salehu, and Xeris all competing for your attention. Oberlo's integration with Shopify can be seamless, but there's always the question, is it the best option for your business? Next thing, Oberlo's free plan lets you import up to 500 products. But if you're looking to scale, you'll need the paid plans, which can add up fast. When compared to competitors like Spocket, which offers higher quality products from US and EU suppliers, Oberlo's selection might not stand out as much. The third thing you should know is how Oberlo's product selection works. They source their products mostly from AliExpress, meaning you'll often face long shipping times, sometimes up to several weeks. This is a huge downside compared to other platforms like Spocket, which offers faster shipping options. The fourth thing to consider is that Oberlo's automation features are solid, but they aren't necessarily more advanced than other tools. You can automate order fulfillment and product importing, but some competitors, like Xeris, offer deeper automation and bulk ordering features that might be a better fit for growing businesses. The fifth thing is Oberlo's lack of customer service support outside of Shopify's. This means if you have any issues specific to Oberlo, you might struggle to find immediate help. Compare this to platforms like Salehu, which provide more extensive customer support options. Next thing is the pricing structure. Oberlo's paid plans start at $29.90 per month, which is relatively affordable but adds up over time, especially when you factor in the Shopify subscription fee. Some alternatives, like Xeris, have more flexible pricing models and lower costs for similar features. The seventh thing to think about is product pricing. With Oberlo, you're often relying on suppliers from AliExpress, meaning you may not have much room to adjust prices to stay competitive. This isn't ideal when compared to platforms like Spocket, where suppliers often allow for more pricing flexibility. The eighth thing is the product syncing feature. Oberlo does a decent job syncing your products, but if you're managing large inventories, other dropshipping platforms like Xeris have more efficient and faster syncing options. This can be a deal breaker if you're running a larger operation. The ninth thing you should know is that Oberlo allows you to filter suppliers based on ratings and reviews, but the range of filters is somewhat limited. This can make it harder to find the best suppliers, especially when compared to tools like Salehu, which offers a more robust supplier directory. The 10th thing is the lack of an inbuilt email marketing tool in Oberlo. If you want to automate emails or send newsletters to your customers, you'll need to use a third-party service like MailChimp. Some competitors like Spocket offer integrations that might make email marketing easier. The 11th thing to consider is Oberlo's learning curve. While it's relatively simple to use, it can be a bit tricky for beginners who've never used dropshipping software. Platforms like Xeris have more intuitive user interfaces, so they might be a better option for those just starting out. The last thing is the reliability factor. Oberlo is a stable and trustworthy platform, but compared to newer platforms, it might feel a little outdated in terms of features and support. If you're looking for a more modern solution, alternatives like Xeris or Spocket may offer features that better suit current market demands. So, while Oberlo can be a good option for Shopify users who want a straightforward dropshipping solution, there are better alternatives out there. If you're looking for more advanced features, faster shipping, and better support, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.